In the 1940s, many American readers of non-fiction books began to become familiar with anthropology because of the popular writings at the time that combined anthropology with psychology, and the public became curious about the cultures outside of the USA. This school of anthropology, which was evolving at the time, is the culture and personality school. Many prominent theorists in the field of culture and personality believe that our behavior is heavily influenced by cultural norms and patterns. They argued that childhood experiences play a crucial role in shaping an individual's personality as they mature, and these personality traits are often reflected in the beliefs and institutions of their culture, such as religion. The study of culture and personality sought to understand how the various socialization and cultural practices, especially while raising children, gave rise to distinct personality types. In this short video, we will explore the major concepts this theory proposes, who made this theory popular, and how it looks at ideas like whether people from a given culture have similar personalities, or do the personalities of the people collectively influence their culture. Welcome everyone. In this session, we are exploring the culture personality school of anthropology, an approach that examines the interplay between individual personality development and cultural factors. Ideal for those interested in psychological dimensions of cultural practices, this exploration will delve into the intricacies of this anthropological perspective. The culture and personality school emerged in the early 20th century, focusing on how cultural environments shape individual personalities and how, in turn, these individuals collectively influence their culture. It views the study of culture through a psychological lens, emphasizing the impact of cultural norms and practices on personality development. What are the key principles of culture personality school? Number 1, modal personality. This concept suggests that each culture tends to produce a specific personality type that is considered typical or average, reflecting the dominant cultural patterns within a particular society. Number 2, basic personality structure. The idea that a set of common personality traits shared by the people in the same society is shaped by their shared cultural experiences, particularly during early childhood. Number 3, national character. This refers to the dominant personality traits shared by the members of a nation or a large group, shaped by common cultural experiences. And let's look at some major contributors and their theories. Number 1, Ruth Benedict. Known for her work on patterns of culture, Benedict emphasized the role of culture in shaping personality types. Her comparative studies highlighted the diversity of cultural patterns and their psychological impacts. Margaret Mead. Mead's fieldwork and publications, especially in Samoa and New Guinea, explored how different cultures influence the personality development and the social roles people play once they become adults. Abraham Cardina. Cardina collaborated with Ralph Linton to develop the concept of basic personality structure, focusing on the influence of early childhood experiences in shaping this structure. And what has been the impact of culture and personality school on the anthropological thought? Well, the culture and personality school brought significant insights into the field of anthropology, introducing a psychological dimension to the study of culture. It contributed to a more comprehensive understanding of the interplay between individual psychology and the cultural practices. While influential, the Culture and Personality School has faced criticisms for sometimes oversimplifying the relationship between culture and personality. Critics also argue that the school may overgeneralize based on the limited case studies and might not fully account for individual variation within cultures. And of course, the famous criticism of Derek Freeman on the nature and the ethics of anthropological fieldwork as it was pursued by Margaret Mead. In conclusion, we can say that the Culture and Personality School of Anthropology offers a unique lens for understanding how cultural practices and institutions influence and are influenced by individual personality development. It provides a crucial perspective in examining the intricate relationship between the individual and their culture.